Here's my new setup for scanning cards in. I bought this scanner, which is pretty sweet. It has like a camera in there. And what you do is you lay your cards out, or you can lay a book or comics or whatever you want. You can scan in multiple things at once. So this scanner hooked up to my computer, I can put little boxes where the card should go. And then I just make sure it's focused, which is kind of cool. And then there's a foot pedal right here, but you can use your hand if you want. And you just click a button, and boom, 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 scan them all. The name of the scanner it's by CZUR, and it does pretty well. I'm getting about 8 cards at once. I've just scanned in all those cards. This is the CZUR Shine. Yep, and it's right there. You can see all the cards saved, ready to go. And then what I'll do is I'll come through here and flip them over. This is a 10 of 10 Potence, and I make sure that they're lined up in each box. Get it all ready. You hit there, it kind of focuses it. Boom, boom, boom. Come here, use this on a foot pedal. Boom, 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 boom. Nope, done. Saved. Yeah, get the Playboy mags in there, definitely. Comic books, and then you go. There's I just did 16 photos in what, like a minute. So if you have a lot of cards you want to list for eBay, it's really cool. It's much easier with slabs because you can flip over. This takes a little bit more time.